Back to Vatsa Market Foundation. I am Bignesh Vats. In the last video, we had already talked about the trader mindset. We talk about the trap of gambling. If you not watch that video, go back and watch it. It is not the foundation of everything we do here. Today, we are going to look at the machine itself. What is the stock market? Is it is a place where money grow? The answer is no. Most of the people think that the stock market is a complicated. They think it is just a number on the screen that moves randomly. Now let us open the hood of the engine. We will divide this video in several parts. Part 1. The pizza slice. Imagine you start a business. Let's say you open a shoe factory. You have nothing. You are doing well, but you want to grow. You want to build 10 more factories, but you have not the money. So you have a choice. You can borrow money from the bank and pay interest, or you can sell a part of your company. This is called the IPO. IPO means initial public offering. Imagine your company is a large pizza. You cut the pizza into the millions of the slices. Each slice is a share. You sell that slice to the public. Now your company has a cash to build factory and the public on the piece of the company. That is a textbook definition. But here what the trader care about. Once those shares are sold, the company is not involved anyone. Now the shares are in the wild. They are being traded between me and you and the banks. They bring us to more important concept. Now coming to the part 2, the auction house. The stock market is just a giant action. It's never stop. Price does not move by magic. Price move because of the two things, supply and demand. Think about onion. If you had only 10 onion in the market, there are the hundreds of the people who want to buy. Then what will happen? The price will goes up. The sellers say, who will pay me the more one? If there are the thousands of the onion and there are the 5 people who want to buy, then the price automatically will go down. Then people are flitting to get it. The seller say, please buy this, I will give you a discount. This is exactly how the stock chart works. When you see a green candles going up, it means that there are the aggressively buyers than sellers. People are fighting to get in. When you see a red candle crashes down, it means panic. People are fighting to get out. They are willing to sell at the lower price just to escape. As a trader, you don't analyze the company. You just analyze the fight between the buyers and sellers. Part 3. Who moves the price? You might have a $5,000 in your account. You think that when you buy, you are moved to the market. I am sorry to tell this. You are a drop of water in the ocean. The market is moving by the whales. These are big institutions, mutual fund, hedge fund, banks. When they buy, they do not buy one share. They buy the millions of the share at once. When a whale enter in a pool, the water rises, the price shoot up. Our job as a small trader is not to fight the whale. Our job is to see the whale coming and swimming the next to him. We look for the footprint on the chart. We ride their waves. Part 4. Price versus value. There is a famous saying, price is what you pay, value is what you get. In the market, price and the value are not same. Sometimes a company is a garbage, but the stock price is going to the moon. Why? Because of the human emotion, because of the greed. Other time, a company is analyzing market, billions of the dollar, but the stock price fall. Why? Because of fear. The market is a machine that measure human emotion. It swing back and forth from extreme option to the extreme depression. A professional trader wait for these extreme. We buy when everyone is crying. We sell when everyone is celebrating. It should cold, but that is a business. Part 5. Liquidity. The last things you need to understand today is a liquidity. Imagine you buy a rare painting. It is worth than a $1 million, but you need a cash urgently. Can you sell that painting in a 10 minutes? No. You have to find a buyer. It takes time. That painting has a low liquidity. The stock market is a powerful because it has a high liquidity. You can click a button and sell your share in 1 second. Cash is king. But remember what I told you in the first video. For you to sell, someone must also to buy. If the market crashes, something that buyers depress, liquidity dries up, and that is when panic happens. Now coming to the conclusion, let us recap. The stock market is an auction. It is driven by a supply and demand. It is controlled by the big bank, not us. It moves based on the fear and greedy, not just logic. You do not need a degree economics to understand this. You need to understand the people. You need to understand that the behind every chart there is a thousands of the human marketing emotional decision. In the next video, we will start at a tool. We can talk about the candles and the time frame. If you found that the value in this video, please click the like button. It helps the channel to grow so I can teach more the people. Subscribe if you want to stay in the path with me. My name is Vignesh Vatsa. Stay disciplined. I will come soon. Okay, thank you.